Hi everyone, welcome to NEET Biology channel. Which characteristic of Archaebacteria enables their survival in extreme environments? A. Flagella. B. Absence of nucleus. C. Different cell wall structure. D. Endospore formation. Correct answer is C. Different cell wall structure. Explanation: Archaebacteria have a unique cell wall composition lacking peptidoglycan and often containing pseudopeptidoglycan or other polymers. This structural difference helps them resist extreme heat, salinity, and pH. Flagella, option A, aid in movement but do not provide environmental resistance. The absence of a nucleus, option B, is common to all prokaryotes. Endospore formation, option D, is more typical of certain eubacteria, not Archaebacteria. Hence, their distinct cell wall structure is the key survival factor. Which of the following is true about Cyanobacteria colonies? A. They are always unicellular. B. They form colonies surrounded by gelatinous sheaths. C. They are filamentous only in marine environments. D. They cannot survive in polluted water. Correct answer is B. They form colonies surrounded by gelatinous sheaths. Explanation: Cyanobacteria often form visible colonies that are embedded in a gelatinous matrix, which offers protection and structural integrity. They are not strictly unicellular, option A, as many are filamentous or colonial. The statement in option C is false because filamentous forms occur in both marine and freshwater environments. Option D is incorrect because many cyanobacteria thrive in polluted water, sometimes even contributing to eutrophication. What type of autotrophs are cyanobacteria considered? A. Chemoautotrophs. B. Photoheterotrophs. C. Photosynthetic autotrophs. D. Saprotrophs. Correct answer is C. Photosynthetic autotrophs. Explanation: Cyanobacteria use sunlight and chlorophyll A to produce energy via photosynthesis, making them photosynthetic autotrophs. They are not chemoautotrophs, option A, as they do not use inorganic chemical reactions for energy. They are also not photoheterotrophs, option B, which require organic compounds in addition to light. Saprotrophs, option D, are decomposers that obtain nutrients from dead material, which cyanobacteria are not. What kind of nitrogen-fixing cells are present in some cyanobacteria like Anabina? A. Endospores. B. Hyphae. C. Heterocysts. D. Mycelia. Correct answer is C. Heterocysts. Explanation: In filamentous cyanobacteria like Anabina, heterocysts are specialized cells with thick walls that create an anaerobic environment suitable for nitrogen fixation. Endospores, option A, are survival structures, not involved in nitrogen fixation. Hyphae, option B, and mycelia, option D, are fungal terms and not applicable to bacteria. Therefore, the only correct nitrogen-fixing cell type here is heterocysts. Which bacterial group plays a significant role in nutrient cycling by oxidizing inorganic substances? A. Mycoplasma. B. Chemosynthetic autotrophs. C. Archaebacteria. D. Cyanobacteria. Correct answer is B. Chemosynthetic autotrophs. Explanation: chemosynthetic autotrophs play a crucial ecological role in nutrient cycling by oxidizing substances like ammonia, nitrites, sulfur, and iron to derive energy and help recycle essential nutrients. Mycoplasma, option A, do not perform this function. Archaebacteria, option C, may live in extreme conditions but are not the primary agents of inorganic nutrient oxidation. Cyanobacteria, option D, contribute to nitrogen fixation and photosynthesis, not inorganic oxidation. Thus, chemosynthetic autotrophs are the correct group. What process is mainly used by bacteria for reproduction under normal conditions? A. Conjugation. B. Binary fission. C. Budding. D. Mitosis. Correct answer is B. Binary fission. Explanation: under normal conditions, bacteria primarily reproduce through binary fission, a simple and efficient asexual process where a single bacterial cell divides into two genetically identical daughter cells. This allows rapid population growth. Conjugation, option A, is a method of genetic exchange, not regular reproduction, and occurs under special conditions. Budding, option C, is seen in some unicellular fungi like yeast, not typically in bacteria. Mitosis, option D, is a eukaryotic cell division process and does not occur in prokaryotes like bacteria. How do some bacteria survive under unfavorable environmental conditions? A. DNA transfer. B. Forming heterocysts. C. Spore formation. D. Endocytosis. Correct answer is C. Spore formation. Explanation: in harsh conditions, some bacteria form endospores through spore formation, a survival strategy where the bacterial cell encases its DNA and essential parts in a tough protective coat. This dormant structure can resist heat, desiccation, and chemicals. DNA transfer, option A, is a method for genetic variation, not survival. Heterocyst formation, option B, is specific to nitrogen-fixing cyanobacteria and does not serve as a universal survival mechanism. Endocytosis, option D, is absent in bacteria since they lack the complex internal membrane systems seen in eukaryotes. Which bacterial disease is not correctly matched with its cause? A. Tetanus, Clostridium. B. Typhoid, Salmonella. C. Cholera, Vibrio. D. Malaria, Mycoplasma. Correct answer is D. Malaria, Mycoplasma. Explanation: malaria is caused by Plasmodium, a protozoan parasite, not the bacterium Mycoplasma. This makes option D incorrect. Tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani, typhoid by Salmonella typhi, and cholera by Vibrio cholerae, all correctly matched and bacterial in origin. Mycoplasma, while a bacterial genus, is associated with respiratory infections, not malaria. What property makes Mycoplasma unique among all bacteria? A. Capability to form colonies. B. Absence of chlorophyll. C. Complete lack of a cell wall. D. Obligate aerobic respiration. Correct answer is C. Complete lack of a cell wall. Explanation: Mycoplasma are the only known bacteria that naturally lack a cell wall, which gives them a pleomorphic shape and makes them resistant to antibiotics like penicillin that target cell wall synthesis. Forming colonies, option A, is common to many bacteria. Absence of chlorophyll, option B, is not unique to Mycoplasma, as most bacteria lack chlorophyll. Obligate aerobic respiration, option D, does not define Mycoplasma, which can survive under various oxygen conditions. Which of the following is not a role of heterotrophic bacteria? A. Decomposition of organic matter. B. Photosynthesis. C. Nitrogen fixation in legumes. D. Curd production.
Correct answer is B. Photosynthesis. Explanation. Heterotrophic bacteria do not perform photosynthesis, as they obtain energy by consuming organic matter. They play important roles in decomposition, option A, nitrogen fixation, option C, especially in symbiosis with legumes, and fermentation, option D, such as curd production. Photosynthesis is exclusive to autotrophic bacteria like Cyanobacteria.